Mastering Everyday English. To mail a letter, decoded. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you'll encounter in English: to mail a letter. Understanding everyday phrases like this is crucial for navigating through daily tasks and interactions. So, let's break it down together. To mail a letter involves a few steps and components. It's not just about the letter itself. It's a process. This phrase generally means to send a written message, enclosed in an envelope, through a postal service to a specific address. But there's more to it, so let's explore further. When you mail a letter, you need a few things. 1. The letter. This is your written message. It could be a personal note, a business correspondence, or any other type of message. 2. The envelope. This protects your letter and provides a space for the recipient's address and the return address. 3. Postage. This is usually in the form of a stamp. The cost of postage depends on the destination and the weight of the letter. 4. Mailbox or post office. Finally, you need to drop your letter in a mailbox or take it to a post office to be sent. Mailing a letter might seem straightforward, but it goes on a journey. 1. Collection. Your letter is collected from the mailbox or post office. 2. Sorting. It's then sorted by destination. 3. Transportation. The letter travels, sometimes across cities or even countries. 4. Delivery. Finally, the letter is delivered to the recipient's address. In an era dominated by emails and instant messaging, you might wonder why someone would mail a letter. Here are a few reasons. Personal touch. A handwritten letter has a personal feel that digital messages can't replicate. Official documents. Some documents need to be sent physically for legal or formal reasons. No digital access. Not everyone has access to digital communication tools, making postal mail a necessity. We hope this breakdown helps you understand what it means to mail a letter and why this traditional method of communication still holds significance today. Remember, mastering everyday phrases is a step towards fluency and confidence in any language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.